Welcome back to another Onshape tech tip. My name's Chris, and today we will explore the power of Onshape's Move Face tool. This direct editing tool can be helpful when you don't have access to the parametric history of a part, which is often the case with imported geometry. Move Face can also be used to edit models natively designed in Onshape, making it a versatile tool to have in your CAD arsenal. The default method when using the Move Face tool will be offset, which is often used with non-planar faces to increase or decrease a radius, such as this cylinder here. First, select your faces to move. You can select multiple faces at once. Next, specify an end condition. You can use an entity such as a face, surface, edge, or mate connector, or specify a distance using the blind option. The second way to use Move Face is the translate method, which can move a face or a collection of faces in a reference direction. To start, select the faces you want to move. An easy way to do this is with the Create Selection tool. Next, select a direction reference, such as a mate connector, axis, edge, or face. Finally, choose your end condition. The third and final way to use the Move Face tool is the Rotate method, which can rotate a face or collection of faces a specified number of degrees around a reference axis. First, select the faces you want to rotate. Next, select your axis. This can be a mate connector, edge, or cylindrical face. Last, enter the angle of rotation or drag the on-screen arrow. To reverse the direction, click the on-screen arrow or click the reverse direction button in the feature window. To reapply fillets to a face that has been moved, use the Reapply Fillet checkbox. These fillets will move with selected faces and maintain their original size. Go use the Move Face tool in your next modeling session and let us know how you used it. This has been Chris with an Onshape Tech Tip. Be sure to stay tuned for more helpful Onshape content.